Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the average of the middle two rational numbers when the four rational numbers are arranged in ascending order. So our first step will be to arrange the numbers in ascending order, then we have to select the middle two elements, and then we have to find the average of the middle two rational numbers, right? So in order to arrange the rational numbers in ascending order, what we are going to do is we are going to make the denominator of each of these rational numbers equal. So the maximum denominator of the rational number is 30. So we are going to make each of the denominators equals 30. So 9 by 5, we have to make the denominator 30. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. So this will become 54 upon 30. Again we have 3 upon 30, so it will remain as it is, and then we have 5 upon 30, and finally we have 3 upon 2, which can be written as 3 multiplied by 15 upon 2 multiplied by 15, so it will become 45 upon 30. Now now we have obtained four rational numbers whose denominator is same. So how we are going to judge whether the number is greater than with respect to another number or not? So the number which is having greater numerator will be the greater rational number. So among all these rational numbers, we can observe that we can observe that 9 upon 5, which is 54 upon 30, has the greatest numerator, that is 54. So 9 upon 5 will be the greatest rational number among all the four numbers. After 54 comes 45, so it is equivalent to 3 upon 2. And then we have 5 upon 30, and finally 3 upon 30. Now we have arranged these four rational numbers in descending order, but in the question they have asked us to arrange them in ascending order. So correct order will be 3 upon 30, then 5 upon 30, then 3 upon 2, and 9 upon 5. Now we have to find the middle two elements. So the middle two elements are 5 upon 30 and 3 upon 2. Therefore required average will be equals 5 upon 30 plus 3 upon 2 whole divided by 2. So 3 upon 2 can be written as 45 upon 30. 45 plus 5 will give us 50. So we will have 50 upon 30 multiplied by 2. 0 and 0 will cancel out each other. So we will have 5 upon 6. So 5 upon 6 will be our required answer. Therefore, required average will be equals 5 upon 6. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.